These are clipping machines from poly-clip system. These are time savers for all plastic, fibrous, collagen and natural casings. It may speed up to 60 cycles per minute, increasing productivity. Named as next generation for economical packaging of all sizes of products. The ASL-R Automatic Sausage Loader uses robotic arm to perform its functions. The efficiency get increased with robot ASL-R up to 40%. Euroline is high performance professional machine for pastry products. It combines multiple steps rolled into a single continuous and automated process. With up to 150 cutting strokes and as many as 80 punching strokes per minute. "9,000 Chelsea buns or 18,000 folded turnovers can be produced with ease. The spiral dough mixers from IGM are perfect for people looking for light, airy dough. The roundy dough can produce over 2400 pieces of dough per hour. It effortlessly makes 400 pizza per hour as designed for high output. A durable double vibrated refractory stone is used to make the Milano. With an optional rotating surface for baking and consistency. This is fully automated batter mixing machine. It's coated in crumbs with an evenly precise grain on product top and bottom. Alco also makes machines to marinate meat as it passes through the system. These machines blow off the excess coating to create an even distribution. These machines easily cut food blocks into uniform pieces.
Tofu at 53 degrees basically.
Products can be cut in any direction with adjustable speed control.
You can always make that adjustment later on as far as increasing the speed.
Machine made from stainless steel cuts food in two directions.
I'm kind of feathering it through because it kind of takes a little while for the cut to catch up. We've cut.
This company is a producer of complete lines for honey processing. In 2016, they launched their mobile honey extraction line. It can extract, process, filter, and barrel up to 3,200 pounds of honey in 1 hour. Complete extraction line is fitted into a trailer. This company specializes in sushi machines. They manufacture machines of all kinds to make perfectly rolled sushi products. Ultimately saves a lot of time and help regulate products usage and waste. Smoothly rolling out perfectly formed sushi.
Ready, the paddle agitators start to do their job, slowly at first.
The Cabot Vermont is the hub of making cheddar cheese.
Curd and actually cut the curd. By being able to handle the curd as softly as they can, makes us get the maximum amount of cheese out of the milk that we can get.
An hour, it's transferred to the finishing tables. The curd is stirred to keep it moving.
So that it doesn't ball up, because cheese has a tendency to knit itself together to make one solid mass.
Paddle, stir, and ripen milk in cheese vat mixtures.
We add the salt to slow the pH down. It also is a preservative, and it adds flavor to the cheese.
If flavored cheese is being made, this is when the flavors are added. Today, it's a variety of peppers for Cabot Pepperjack.
It's very important to get the bits, the flavorings that you're adding on evenly distributed across the vat. That's the reason why you see the people still putting their hands in there and breaking it up.
Workers use their bare hands because studies have shown that wearing gloves is less.
The cheese is then flavored, cut, and packed for freshness.
Curd is transferred to an auger and sent by vacuum up to the finishing towers.
It goes into the top of the tower as this curd comes out 20 minutes later in a 42-pound block of cheese. It goes down a conveyor, goes into what we call a beta vat, which is a vacuum chamber. It goes from there through a metal detector.
This is fully automatic kurkure production line. It combines both baking and flavoring all in one line. It uses less energy, reducing production cost with full efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel.